I'm called Ndofo Luansh. I'm from ACF Bambili. I've been in the forum for 9 months and it has been so great. And we came for ASOM this year. I was expecting a lot. So when we arrived, I had some complications within me, like boys. I had 2 boys swollen on my leg. But on the night when we were praying, I had to experience an encounter with God, because when we were praying, there was a sister. She gave a testimony on how she got healed of boys, and I said to myself, if my sister is healed, then what of me? So I decided to take it as a commitment. I went back to the dormitory that day and I checked myself, and I experienced that the boy completely dried off. There was nothing again. I felt no pains. Though the marks are there, but the place is dry. And I feel so happy about this because it's my first time experiencing such an instant miracle in my life, and I want to promise God that there is nothing I see He cannot do. I believe He can always do things for me, and that is why being in this place I experience a lot in terms of God's glory in my life, and I believe I am an overcomer. So I'm going out there with a different spirit in me, going to face every challenge on my way, because I believe I carry a glory in me that can overcome every situation that I face. So I would like to invite my friends out there that ACF is a very wonderful place, and I would like you people to join us, because in ACF you get solutions to everything that you face. Thank you.